Nagsiselos ba si Norman?
No.
Talaga?
No. Not a bit.
Secured na secured siya, no?
Yeah, because I don't really give him a reason na magsiselo siya.
Babe ka rin.
Of
So to
course,
say.
not so much. Dapat rin konti.
Yeah.
Para masaya siya. But you know, but behave in a way na I don't give him problems then. And he's also an artist. He's an art curator. So he understands my world. So that's a big help. And he's malaki yung age gap namin. He knows what I'm doing. He actually supports me. So, laking bagay talaga na ganun nangyari.
Speaking of age gap, so pag older ba talaga, as a general rule or universally, yun ang nangyayari, mas mature ba sila?
No, not all the time.
Not all the time.
Because di ba sabi nga nila, some other guys, not Norman, I'm not saying
Yeah.
Norman, but other guys generally, may ibang lalaki na habang tumatanda, naging